Hello, everybody. This is Tiffany, and it is Friday. I hope you guys are having a super awesome Friday. I'm at the office, and I'm actually working. The kids got out of school early today, and everybody is preparing for Atlanta's snowstorm. I just had a client that left, and she was like, I gotta get to the store. And I'm just like, oh my God. I refuse. I am not getting caught up in the hype. It just amazes me. I was talking to a client the other day, well, actually yesterday, and I was like, it amazes me how the news media can say anything. We don't even know if it's true, false, or anything. But the news media can put out this snowstorm warning, and I'm not disputing it. I'm not saying that it's not true, because I believe that, yes, a snowstorm is coming. But what if it wasn't coming? Just what if, they made a mistake and you guys went out and spent your last to stock your refrigerators and cabinets with food that you don't need and spent money that you don't have for this so-called snowstorm? Now let's get it correct again. I'm not saying that the snowstorm is not coming, but I'm just saying, look at the power of fear. Fear has the power to move you into action. So, as we speak about fear, I want you guys to utilize fear this year to move you into action. Whether that's action to accomplish your goals and your dreams, or that's action to clean up your credit and purchase a new home, whether that's action to to start a new business. The same way, if you are right now at Kroger, Walmart, Publix, and any of the other stores, the same way that this fear has motivated you to take action and spend money to put extra groceries and extra food in your home, I want you to utilize that fear to take action on your goals and your dreams. So this year, we are going to embrace fear, because fear is a great thing. Fear gets us to take action. Isn't that so wonderful? And I hear so many people that speak of fear from a negative standpoint. But I think Walmart, Target, Kroger, Publix, their bottom lines are really appreciating your fear, because this weekend they're going to have an increase in their bottom line because of your fear. So how about you utilize that fear to have a bottom line increase in your life this year? How about you be the recipient of that increase this year with your fear? So that's it for my post today. I am going to utilize my fear to work on my website, to work on some marketing materials, and to really sit down and think about some videos that I want to produce this year. So again, I hope you guys are being safe out there, and I'm going to get ready and leave the office a little early today. And I just look forward to this time in the house that they say we're going to have. Maybe I can get some work done. So talk to you later. Have a super fabulous Friday. Bye-bye.